So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Shruti Shubhangi, sir.
Shruti Shubhangi is from which state?
Yeah. I'm from Jharkand, Bokaro Steel City, Jharkand, and currently I'm staying in Ghaziabad.
Acha, good. You are appearing for clerical interview.
Yes, sir.
Which date?
So my clerical interview date is on 19th.
19th in New Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is your second interview.
Yes, sir. Second interview.
Yeah. What is the degree you studied, please?
Sir, I had done bachelor's in agriculture.
Good. Which year did you complete agriculture?
In the year 2022.
Good. So what do you know about green deposit scheme of Federal Bank?
So green deposit schemes of Federal Bank. Sorry, sir, I didn't go through that. I mean, I have mentioned it, but I forgot. I was just
Yeah.
focusing on the loan part.
Yeah. What is green deposit in Federal Bank? Green deposits are primarily used for funding environment-friendly projects, promoting
Like,
energy efficiency, reducing carbon emissions, and greenhouses. You just search in green
For
green.
that, sir, I was aware of this. I was like, green deposit is basically for funding for renewable energy or renewable like resources industries. Like,
Exactly.
yes, sir.
That's what I asked you. Because they have asked in one interview this question.
Yes, yes.
Green deposits of Federal Bank. Please read. Okay, good. So now, Shruti, what is your father?
My father is a political analyst
Oh, you told
in
me.
Jharkhand.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
sir.
told me. Then I was also asking why you are not interested in going to
Yes, sir.
politics and all that. That's okay. Good. So now, what is the political situation in Jharkhand?
So currently the situation is like stable, but like I won't say stable. Politics is never stable. Things are always up and down. But yeah, currently things are on like the right
No, no.
pace.
No, for this question, see, the simple
I need
answer
to yes, sir.
could have been that the Assembly's next election is due in so and so date only, and the state is to participate in the next parliament elections in 2024. And are there activities towards that in mind?
So the election is going to happen by the end of the year 2024 or by 25, sir.
No,
So
24 May, na?
24, yes, sir.
24 April or May, Lok Sabha will come. And
Oh, yes, sir.
your state elections will be due in which year?
So by the year 25.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. By the end of year 24 or 25. Yes, sir.
How many seats are there in the your assembly? So I think I told you that day itself, you must be thorough with such questions because you are
Yes, sir.
of a politician or political advisor.
Yes, sir.
Very good, no problem. Now come to agriculture. Please tell me about Kisan credit card.
So Kisan credit card was launched in the year 1998, but recently it has been changed to the RuPay Kisan credit card. And the main aim is to give the like funding to the small farmers or the farmers, like credit facilities to them. And like it is the limitation of the credit is based on the amount of the size of the land they have and the type of area they have and the irrigation, like whether the land is irrigated or the rain fed one. And the facilities which they provide are basically for one second. So the
Wrong,
facilities which they provide.
wrong. Kisan credit card limit is fixed based on the extent of land and the
Yes,
crop that is grown, and
yes, sir.
based on scale of finance for that crop in that particular district. Doesn't depend on irrigation or other things. In
Sir,
fact,
it is all. Acha, yes, sir.
in fact, that limit is fixed, taking into account all those factors. The bankers level committee of each district will decide the amount to be given per acre, taking into account all the factors.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. No problem. Now, please tell me, you are an agriculture graduate, you want to join as a clerk. Now, how will you canvass deposits and other schemes from customers? Are you confident about it?
Yes, sir. I'm quite confident about my communication skills. So I think it will be easier for me to have a conversation with them. Apart from this, if I have to canvass a loan or any deposit schemes for a farmer or any like agriculture product to a rural people, then I'll have a proper conversation with them. I'll try to analyze what are their needs. And since federal bank is also providing some of the schemes like federal pratyasha loan, federal kisan credit card, and loans for like a vehicle, like federal mobile, federal agriculture mobile app, and so on. Like the schemes are so many. So as per the requirements, I'll be suggesting those deposit schemes for them.
Mhm. Good. Now, can you tell me the name of 5 chief ministers of Jharkhand?
So 5 chief ministers of Jharkhand.
That means
So
five people who were chief ministers.
okay, so one is Mr. Sibu Soren, and then Arjun Munda, and Mr. Arjun Munda, and then currently the chief minister is Mr. Hemant Soren, and so I'm just aware of these three, so, since
Because they are started asking like this in today's interview. They have
yes, sir.
asked. They have asked like this: 5 presidents of India, 5. How many districts are there in Jharkhand?
So in Jharkhand there are around 7 districts.
Only.
No, sir, more than that, I guess.
Why are you telling a wrong figure? You are an agriculture graduate.
Oh, it's 24.
Eh?
Sorry, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
How
sir.
many? 24 districts.
Yes, sir.
Which district you are living?
So I'm living in Bokaro district.
बोकारो डिस्ट्रिक्ट का कलेक्टर का नाम क्या है?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of the
बोकारो
name.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट का एमएलए का नाम क्या है? एमपी का नाम क्या
Mr.
है?
Sir, MLA's name is MP's name is Mr. Biranchi Narayan.
Can you name 6 districts in Jharkhand?
Yes, sir. Sir, Bokaro, Ranchi, Jamshedpur, Bermo, not Bermo. Bermo is also included in Bokaro, and sir, Dumka and Dhanbad.
Good, good. Jharkhand is blessed with what? Is blessed with what is
Coal,
that?
sir.
Is
Coal
blessed?
and steel.
Yeah. Is the negative point in Jharkhand in terms of internet is?
So the negative point of Jharkhand in terms of internet, so I am not that much aware of the like negative part in terms of internet, but
Why
yes, there are
are you not aware of Jamatara?
jump. Oh yes, sir, Jamtara, yes, sir. And that phishing thing is actually happening. So like
Ah,
there are a
fi-
lot of cases. Yes, sir.
fishing. I think even 10th class boy will be doing fishing there in
Yes, sir, in Jamtara.
Jamatara, that village. Correct. Now, what are the minerals for which your Jharkhand is famous?
So for minerals like coal, steel, and yes, sir, there is a like famous thermal power station as well. And these are the things basically like Jharkhand is famous for.
No, your answer is not complete. Your
In so Jharkhand has the largest steel plant in Bokaro, and like Dhanbad is also the coal capital of India. And
Jharkhand
so
is
the,
famous for rich mineral resources like
uranium.
uranium, mica, bauxite, granite, gold भी मिलता है. silver, graphite, magnite, dolomite, fire clay, quartz, feldspar, coal. 32% of India is coming, coal is got
Yes, sir. Coal.
in Jharkhand. Then iron and copper. Copper, 25% of India.
5%.
Then
Yes,
forests
sir.
and woodlands occupy
Woodland.
more than 29% of the state, which
Yes, sir.
is
Sesame trees,
which
sir.
is among the highest in India.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, please tell me about KYC.
So KYC full form is know your customer. It is the parameter by which bank usually like identifies the customer whether they are not involved in any money laundering activities or any criminal cases. Apart from this, KYC is done on the basis of the requirements of KYC is like they ask for a valid identity proof and valid address proof from the customer with a passport size photograph.
With two passport size board. Normally they take two because
Yes, sir.
one they will affix on the passbook.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which bank do you have an account?
So my bank account is on in Bank of India.
Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Bank of India's headquarters, where is it?
So headquarter of Bank of India is in Mumbai.
Mumbai. Good. Excellent. So supposing you are given an option to join Bank of India and also Federal Bank, which one will you join?
So coming to a practical experience, I have cleared this exam first, and since I have been preparing for banking exams for past 10 years, and this is the first exam. Federal Bank is the first exam I have cleared, and I have reached this far. So I'll definitely be choosing Federal Bank right now because
Good. Very good.
yes, sir.
Can you please tell us about the GNPA percentage, NNPA percentage of our bank?
Yes, sir. GNPA percent so both GNPA and NNPA percentage has decreased, and GNPA percentage has decreased up to 2.26%, and NNPA percentage has decreased up to 0.64%.
As on 30th September,
Yes, sir, as on 30th September.
what is the market capitalization of Federal Bank?
Sir, market capital.
Every day it changes. So you have to go on be seeing it. Share price of Federal Bank before going for the interview. You must know today the price is 148.35. Today
Sir.
means yesterday.
Yes, sir, share price, I'm aware of that. I was
Hmm.
thinking about market capital. Yes, sir.
Market capitalization, that figure also comes below that. Now it is given as 306 360 billion. You can call it 360 billion.
Okay, sir.
360 billion. What is market capitalization? Definition of
So,
market capitalization. Perhaps you don't know. It is
yes, sir.
the market market price of share multiplied by number of shares issued.
Shares bought. Okay, sir.
What is the
So
equity
market price, yes,
market
sir.
price into number of shares
Number
issued?
of shares issued. Yes, sir.
Equity capital. What is the equity capital of
So
our bank?
equity capital is 470 crore in
Good. Correct.
September
Correct.
30.
Tell me the names of 5 presidents of India.
So current president is Miss Lakshmati Draupadi Murmu, and then there was Shri Rajnath Kovind, and then Shri Pranab Mukherjee, and then Srimati Pratibha Patil, and then Shri APJ Abdul Kalam.
Super. Good. You remembered correctly and told me. Very happy.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of meaning of capital adequacy ratio?
So I know about the capital adequacy ratio right now, but
What is
I
the percent?
cannot.
What is the answer number for
So
capital?
capital adequacy ratio is 15.7.
Yeah. Should a bank increase its capital adequacy ratio or decrease its capital adequacy ratio?
So it should decrease.
Huh? Huh?
It should so
Increase.
it should increase. Okay, sir.
Increase. Capital adequacy ratio is a comparison of the available capital that a bank has on hand to its risk-weighted assets. The ratio provides a quick idea of whether a bank has enough funds to cover losses and remain solvent under difficult financial circumstances. I am giving this definition in our WhatsApp page.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please go through that. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you name the banks having headquarters in Kerala?
So first is Federal Bank, and then Catalan and Syrian Bank, and then is South Indian Bank.
One more
3. So one more
is
I
Dhanalakshmi Bank, that is also in Thrissur. The reason why I asked question about that is this Dhanalakshmi Bank is in news now for bad reasons. That director has resigned and so many problems are going on in Dhanalakshmi Bank. Dhanalakshmi Bank was in prompt corrective action. It came out of prompt corrective action. So many big history is being told about it. But just remember that.
Yes, sir. Surely I'll do.
Do you know for which bank Mr. V. Kurian has been appointed as chairman recently?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware.
It is South Indian Bank. Everything connected
South
with
Indian Bank.
Kerala only mostly.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Very. What is the biggest failure of you in life?
So my biggest failure.
Normally, this type of difficult questions they will not ask in clerical. This question has been raised from PO, but I am just asking you for your practice.
So I have to give a hypothetical situation, right?
Not
So my
hypotheticals.
biggest.
No. You should tell something about experience in college, and the reason for that has got no direct connection with the role as a clerk in a bank.
So my biggest fail, I can recall my biggest failures.
Yeah.
So right now I might be like looking very confident, but when I was in school, I had this stage fear, and later on we had this radio jockey facility available in my school, and there I was hesitating to speak in front of mic, and then I came to know that I have that hesitation of speaking in front of people, and then that humiliation in front of my teachers and students actually it was my like biggest failure.
Good.
And later on I
Good.
went for
You
working
could.
on it.
Very
And
good.
yeah,
Very good. Nice. Sufficient. You could overcome that. Fine. Thank you
yes.
so much. Best wishes. You did well.
Thank you, sir.
You can do still better. Be
Thank you, sir.
going through newspaper. Please go through newspapers. Also go through current affairs snippets and search in your Google current affair relating to Jharkand. Like that, you get to know that and go with confidence. I'm sure you can do well.
So how much marks will give me for my